Question number 3, part A. Find the decimal which is exactly halfway between 3/5 and 68%. So first of all, I will convert 3/5 into percentage. So 3/5 multiplied by 100. After cancellation step, I'll get 5 times 1 times 20 is 100. It will be 60%. So we will find out the halfway of 60% and 68% divided by 2. So it will be 64%. And after removing the percentage sign, I'll get 64 over 100. So I'll take jump. It will be 0.64. So the answer is 0.64. Part B. Write 4.07382 correct to 3 decimal places. So if we see, the third decimal place is 1, 2, 3. So this is the third decimal place. So I have to round off on 3. So I'll do round up 4.074. So the answer is 4.074. Part C. Evaluate cube root of 64. So we know that 4 is the cube root of 64. So this is 4. Question number 4. Sonu records the temperature in degrees centigrade at the midnight every day for 12 days. Here are the results in order starting with the coldest. Find the range of the temperature. So the range is equal to max minus minimum. So max value is 7 and minimum value is minus 6. So when I solve it, I'll get 7 plus 6. This is equal to 13. So the answer is 13. Part B. The median temperature is 1 degree centigrade. Find the value of T. So we are given the median is 1 degree centigrade. So formula for median is equal to n plus 1th term. N is equal to 12. So 12 plus 1 over 2th term is equal to 13 over 2. That is 6.5th term. So 6.5th term means this is the average of 6th and 7th term. So we will check that 6th and 7th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is actually 6th and 7th term. So we have to find out the 6th term is minus 1 and 7th term is T. And we have to find out the average of these two. If we say this, median is equal to minus 1. So I will put median here, that is minus 1. Now I'm going to solve it. So this is not minus 1, this is 1. So now I'm going to solve this equation. So it will be, I'll cross multiply first of all. So 2 is equal to minus 1 plus T. So if I further solve it, it will be 2 plus 1 is equal to T and T is equal to 3. So the answer is T is equal to 3. Question number 7. Shape A and triangles P and Q are drawn on the centimeter square grid. Part A. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle P onto triangle Q. First of all, we will find out the coordinates of triangle P, that is 6, 3, 6, 1 and 5. So if we write the coordinates of shape Q, that is 1 minus 5, 1 minus 6, and 3 minus 6. So, the coordinates of P 6, 3, 6, 1, and 5, 1 turns into 3 minus 6, 1 minus 6, and 1 minus 5. So this means the relation between the coordinates of shape P and Q is coordinate x, y to y minus x. This is first of all, this is the switching of x, y coordinate, and then we'll change the sign of x. So this is the rule of the case of rotation of 90 degree, clockwise about origin. Part B. Shape B is an enlargement of shape A. The center of enlargement is pi 5, so we are given the center. The area of the shape B is 27 centimeter square. Draw shape B on the grid. So first of all, we will find out the scale factor. So area of shape B is 27 and area of shape A is 3. So we will find out the scale factor. K square is equal to area of shape B, that is 27, and area of shape A, that is 3. So this is equal to 9 and K is equal to 3. So scale factor is 3 and shape B is 3 times larger than shape A. Now I will find out the coordinates of shape A. So this is 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 3. To find out the coordinates of shape B, we will write the all coordinates, that is 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 1 and 3. So first of all, we will subtract the center, that is 5, 5. From all coordinates. After subtracting, I'll get minus 4 and 1, minus 2 and 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 3 and minus 3, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 4 and minus 2. Now I'm going to multiply with the scale factor, that is 3, with the every coordinate. So the coordinate will be minus 12 and minus 3, minus 6 and minus 3, just place the 9, that don't mix up the coordinates, minus 6 and minus 3, minus 6 and minus 9, minus 9 and minus 9, minus 9 and minus 6, and minus 12 and minus 6. Now the last step is we have to add center again. So again I'm going to add center. So I'm just going to plus sign that you clearly understand that you have to add the center. So now I'm going to, if I add, I'll get minus 7 and 2, minus 1 and 2, minus 1 and minus 4, minus 4 and minus 4, minus 4 and minus 1, minus 7 and minus 1. So these are the coordinates of the shape B after enlargement. Now I'm going to locate the coordinates and I'll make the diagram. So the coordinates are minus 1 and 2, minus 4, minus 1 and minus 4, minus 4 and minus 4, minus 4 and minus 1, and minus 7 and minus 1, minus 7 and 2. I'm going to join the dots. So this is shape B and this is the enlargement of shape A. Question number 8. Write the number 0.00493 in standard form. To convert into the standard form, I will take 3 jumps to right. So it will be 4.93 multiplied by 10 raised minus 3. So this will be 4.93 multiplied by 10 raised minus 3. Part B. Evaluate 4 multiplied by 10 raised 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 raised minus 2. Give your answers in standard form. So this is the actually multiplication of the standard form number. So 4 times 2 and 10 raised 9 multiplied by 10 raised minus 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And in the second half, bases are same, so powers will add. So it will be 8 multiplied by 10 raised 7. Question number 9. Write 180 as the product of its prime factors. So I will make the letter that is 180 and I will make the factors. 2 times 90 is 180. 2 times 45 is 90. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So the product of its prime factors are 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. Express B expressed as a product of their prime factors, 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square, and n is equal to 2 square multiplied by 3 into k, where k greater than 3. So 180 is the lowest common multiple of 36 and n. Find the value of k. So the number that are given, that is 36, prime products of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the number n and the prime factors of these number n is 2 times 2 times 3 times k. And 180 is the lowest common multiple of LCM of 36 and m. So the answer of 36 and n, or LCM of 36 and n, is actually 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times and 5. Now I will check that. I can make pair. So this is the LCM. So if we pair again, so this will also come in the LCM. If we make pair, this is also the LCM, part of the LCM. So this 3 is actually present in 36. So this is also the part of 180. So it must be that k is equal to 5. So answer of k is equal to 5. Question number 13. A list of 8 numbers has a mean of 12. Of the first 5 numbers have a mean of 9. Find the sum of the 3 remaining numbers. So from the first line, we will apply the formula of mean, that is, there are 8 numbers, so we suppose that these numbers are x1, x2, plus x3, plus x4, and up till to x7 and x8. Number of values are 8 and the mean is 12. This is equation 1. If we see the second line, so the first 5 numbers have mean 9. So the first 5 numbers, sum of this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 and plus x5 over 5 is equal to 9. So we'll find the sum of 5 numbers. I'll cross multiply and I'll get the answer. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is equal to 9 times 5, that is 45. So 45 is actually the sum of first 5 numbers. So I'm going to plug in this in equation 1. So this will be 45 plus x6 plus x7 and plus x8 is equal to 12 over number of values, that is 8. I'll solve it. So it will be 12 times 8 and 45 plus x6 plus x7 plus x8. So it will be 45 plus x6 plus x7 plus x8 is equal to 96. After solving, I'll get sum, that is x6 plus x7 plus x8 is equal to 96 minus 45. So this is equal to 51. So 51 is actually the sum of the 3 remaining numbers. So 51 is the answer. Question number 40. Measure angle ABC. So to measure the angle B, we have to keep the protector on point B, and I will measure, so it will be 50 degree. So the angle is 50 degree. Using compasses and a straight edge only, construct the perpendicular bisector of AC. So you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. So open the compass and keep it at C and make an arc like that. And if I keep it at A, so it will be, so I will join the line. So this is the estimated perpendicular bisector. On the diagram, shade the region inside triangle ABC that is nearer to A than to C and more than 6 cm from B. So I will again open the compass and I will keep the compass at B and make an arc of 6 cm. So if I draw it, it will be like that. So if we see the assumption that is this shade the region that is nearer to A than to C and more than 6 cm from B, so the shaded region will be this one. So this is the shaded part. I'm not choosing proper tools of geometry, so this is the estimated perpendicular bisector and estimated shaded region. If you use proper tools, you will construct exact perpendicular bisector and shade the region exactly. Question number 15. The second term of polynomial sequence is 28 and the fifth term of the sequence is 16. Find the first term, the third term and the fourth term of the sequence. So first of all, I will make the 5 terms of the sequence, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth term. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So second term is 28 and the fifth term is 16. To calculate the remaining terms, I will take the difference of 28 and 16. So it will be 16 minus 28, it is equal to minus 12. So I will divide by 3 because 16 is the third term after 28. So I will divide it by 3. So it will be minus 4. It means minus 4 is actually the difference of every term. So minus 4 is actually the rule of the sequence. To find the third term, 28 minus 4, it will be 24. 24 minus 4, it will be 20. And for the first term, what minus 4, that is 28. So it will be 32. So first term is 32, third term is 24, and the fourth term is 20. These are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. 3, 9, 19, 33, 51. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. So I will check the difference first. So 3, the difference between 3 and 9 is 6. The difference between 9 and 19 is 10. The difference between 19 and 33 is 14. And the difference between 33 and 51 is 68. So this is not same, so this is not the linear sequence. I will check the second difference. So the difference between 6 and 10, that is 4. The difference between 10 and 14, that is 4. And the difference between 14 and 68, this is 4. So this is the quadratic sequence because second difference is throughout the same, that is 4. So we call it difference 2 and we call it distant difference 1, and this is A. So I will apply the formula for the quadratic sequence, that is A plus n minus 1 into d1 plus d2 over 2 multiplied by n minus 1 into n minus 2. So I'm just going to plug in the values, that is A is 3 plus n minus 1, and the first difference is 6 plus second difference is 4 over 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So this will cancel out. So there is 2 only. 2 will be left. So I'll further solve it. 3 plus, I'll expand 6n minus 6 plus 2 times n into n minus 2 minus 1 into n minus 2. I will expand the double expression. So after simplifying it, 3 minus 6 plus 6n plus 2 into n square minus 2n minus n plus 2. So I will solve it 3 minus 6. This is the like term. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3 plus 6n plus 2 into n square minus 3n plus 2. After open the bracket, I'll get plus 2n square minus 6n plus 4. So 6n and minus 6 plus 6n and minus 6n will cancel out. So remaining terms are 2n minus 3 plus 4. So the answer will be this is 2n square. 2n square plus 1. So this is the sequence. 2n square plus 1, quadratic sequence. Come to the question number 16. Work out the value of t when p is equal to 40. So I'm going to plug in the value of p, that is t is equal to 40 minus 4 square root, and t is equal to 36. After solving the square, I'll get t is equal to 6. So the answer is 6. Part B. Rearrange the formula to make p the subject. So t is equal to under root p minus 4. First of all, I will remove the square root. To remove square root, I will take square on both sides. So I will take square. This will be t square is equal to, square will cancel out with square root. So this will be p minus 4. To separate p, I'll get p is equal to 2 square plus 4. So the answer is t square plus 4. Question number 17. The heights of 80 plants are measured. The table shows the result. The table related to the height and the cumulative frequency. Draw a cumulative frequency diagram to show this information. So if we see that for height 2, cumulative frequency is 4. So first of all, we will plot the points. So this is equal to first point will come here. So on height 4, it will be 18. So this is the second point. And for the third point, that is height less than 6, so point is 42. This is the third point. And on height 8, this is 60. So this is the fourth point. And for height less than 10, this is the point is 72. So it will be so for 12, the height is 80. So last point will come here. So I'm going to join the points. So this is the shape of the curve. Part B. Use your diagram to find an estimate for the interquartile range. To find out the interquartile range, I find out Q1 and Q3. So for formula for the Q1 is n over 4, that is total frequency is 80. So 80 over 4 is equal to 20th term on cumulative frequency. For Q3, this is 3 into n over 4, that is 3 times 80 over 4, and this is equal to 160. Sorry, 240 over 4. So it will be 60. 60 is termed on cumulative frequency. So we will find out the value of height on 20th value on cumulative frequency. If we draw the line, so this is equal to 4.2, and for the Q3, that is 60th term on cumulative frequency, I'll draw the line, and this is equal to 8. So interquartile range is equal to 8 minus 4.2. So this is the answer, 3.8. Part C. Plants are sold when they are taller than 8 centimeters. 28 of these plants are sold. Find the value of each. So total plants are 80. And the 28 are sold. So remaining is 80 minus 28. So this is 52. So we have to find out the value of height or h corresponding to 52 on the cumulative frequency. So I will draw the line on 52. So the corresponding height is 7. Seven centimeter. So this is the answer. Question number 21. You are given two sectors. Diagram A shows a sector of a circle, center D and radius 3/4 pi centimeter. The obtuse angle EDF is equal to 6x degree. Diagram B shows a sector of the circle, center P and radius y centimeter, and the sector angle is x degree. Part A. The length of the major arc EF is 9 times the length of this arc QR. Show that x is equal to 20. So if you see the sector up shape of diagram A, radius is 3/4 centimeter and the angle is, obtuse angle is 6x degree. So we can find out the reflex angle. So this is 360 minus 6x. The given condition is that is EF is 9 times the length of the arc QR. So it says arc length of diagram A is equal to 9 times the arc length of diagram B. So formula for the arc length, that is theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So we will just plug in the values. The angle of in the diagram A, this is 360 minus 6x over 360 multiplied by 2 pi, and the r is 3/4y, is equal to 9 times the angle of diagram B is x over 360 multiplied by 2 pi, and the radius is y. So if I simplify it, it will be 360 minus 6x over 360 multiplied by 3/4 into 2 pi y is equal to 9x over 360 multiplied by 2 pi y. So we will cancel out both 2 pi y in equation. And the remaining terms are 360 minus 6x over 360 multiplied by 3/4 is equal to 9x over 360. So 360 is coming again on both sides, so I will cancel out. And the remaining terms is 360 minus 6x into 3/4 is equal to 9x. To simplify this, I will cross multiply. So it will be 360 minus 6x multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 into 9x. This is equal to 36x, and the remaining term is 360 minus 6x into 3. After expanding, I will get 1080 minus 18x is equal to 36x. I'll get to the like term, so it will be 1080 is equal to 36x plus 18x. So this is equal to 54x is equal to 1080, and I'll get x is equal to 1080 divided by 54. So this is equal to x is equal to 20. This is the answer. In part B, find the value of y when the area of the sector QPR is equal to 2 pi centimeter square. So we'll apply the formula of the area of the sector, that is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square. So area is given, that is 2 pi, and theta of QPR is 20 degree. So 20 over 360 multiplied by pi, and the r is y. But this is y square. So I'm going to shift the numbers, so it will be 2 pi multiplied by 360 divided by 20, and this is pi y square. Pi is coming on both sides, so I will cancel out. So it will be, and I can also cancel 2 and 20. 2 with 2 and 0 with 0. So the remaining numbers are 36 is equal to y square. And now I will take square root on both sides. So it is y is equal to 6. So the radius of QPR is 6. Question number 22. We are given the matrix part A. Show that x square minus 3x is equal to 0. So we will multiply the matrix. So it will be x into x minus 1 plus 3 into 2. In the second entry, 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1. Is equal to 2x plus 6y. So I will expand it and simplify it. X squared minus x plus 6, and this will be 2x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 6, and second entry is y. If I equate first entry, so it will be x squared minus x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6. I will simplify it, so I will shift all the terms on left hand side, so it will be x squared minus x plus 6 plus minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 6 and plus 6 will cancel out, and after solving I get x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. So it proves. Part B. X squared minus 3x is equal to 0. So I will take x as a common factor. So x into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So there are two factors, x and x minus 3. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. The values of x's are 0 and 3. Find the value of y when x is greater than 0. It means we will consider x is equal to 3 and I will ignore x is equal to 0. So to find the value of y, we will consider the second entry of the matrix. So it will be 2x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to y. Minus 2 and plus 2 will cancel out. So the remaining term is 4x is equal to y. Now I'm going to plug in the value of x is equal to 3. So this will be 4 into 3 is equal to y. So this is y is equal to 12. So this is the final answer. Question number 23. A shop sells hats, scarves, and gloves. A group of 40 people are asked which items they buy in the shop. Some of the results are shown in the Venn diagram. You are given the Venn diagram, the number of hats, scarves, and gloves, and some boxes are unfilled. Part A. 2 people buy all 3 items. So we will put 2 in the common part of hats, scarves, and gloves. So it will be 2 will come here. Now point 2, those people that buy both a hat and a scarf also buy gloves. So it means there is 0 value or no member on a common part of a hat and scarf. So this will be 0. 4 people buy exactly 2 items. So this is the only space that is a common part of 2 things, that is scarf and gloves. So 4 will come here. Use this information to complete the Venn diagram. So this is the, we call this part x because we don't have any value. So I will solve this by making the equation. So it will be 3 plus 2 plus 10 plus 4 plus 5 plus x is equal to 40. And after solving, I'll get this is 24 plus x is equal to 40. And x is equal to 40 minus 24. So x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 60. Work out S intersection H union G complement. So first of all, I will shade H union G complement. So if I shade, so this is the H union G complement. So this is the part of H union G complement. So if we take the intersection of this part with S, so it will be this part only. So the number of members of this part is 10. So it will be the number of members of S intersection H union G complement is 10. Question number 24. OAB is a triangle. P lies on AP and AP ratio PB is equal to 2 ratio 3. OA is equal to 4A and OP is equal to 3A plus 2B. Find in terms of A and B, giving your answers in its simplest form. To find AP, we will follow the path AO plus OP. So if you see AO is the opposite direction of OA. So this will turns into minus OA plus OP. OA vector is 4A and OP vector is 3A plus 2B. So it will be minus A plus 2B. So this is 2B minus A. Part 2. Find OP. For OP, we will follow the path OA plus AB. So if we see the relation, that is AP ratio PP, this is 2 ratio 3. So the fraction for AP is 2 over 5 and the fraction for PB is 3 over 5. So for AB, we know that AB is 2/5 of AB is 2B minus A. So we will find out the value of AB by cross multiplying. So it will be 5 over 2 into 2B minus A. So it will be 5B minus 5 over 2A. Just plug in the value here. Vector of OA is 4A and AP is 5B minus 5 over 2A. So 4A minus 5 over 2 plus 5B. So I will solve 4A minus 5 over 2A. This will be 8A minus 5A over 2 plus 5B. So it's equal to 3A over 2 plus 5B. So this is 3 over 2A plus 5B. Part B. Q is a point on OA such that QP is parallel to OB. Find QP. So Q is the point on OA like that. So we'll join that line with P. So it is QP. We have to find out QP, and QP is parallel to OB. We know that if we compare the other side of this triangle, that is AP is taking 2 parts and AB is taking 5 parts. So OB is taking 5 parts and QP is taking 2 parts. So OB over QP is equal to 5 over 2. So if we cross multiply, I'll get 2 times OB is equal to 5 into QP. For QP, we have to find out 2 over 5 OB is equal to QP. For QP, we'll multiply the vector by 5. So this will be 3 over 2A plus 5B. After simplifying, I'll get 3 over 5A plus 2B. So the answer is 3 over 5A plus 2B.